Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 25th of August 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we get towards the middle of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, firstly, following on from the week ahead commodity report, we identified a massive opportunity for you with Palladium. That has played out massively. In fact, on Monday, Palladium had its biggest one-day move to the upside since May of 2020, a 6% gain. So far this week, it's up 8.5%. We've seen a 2,000-point rally from Monday's lows to Tuesday's highs. So we've taken advantage of this slingshot move higher on Palladium. In fact, in the last few days, we've built into 5 positions on Palladium and also a number of positions on copper too, which puts our overall open position profit right now up over 8,000 points profit with all of the trades that we've executed with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So essentially, for 8,000 points profit, for every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, it's $800,000 of profit. For every 1 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $80,000 of profit. The majority of that we've accumulated since Thursday last week, Thursday, Friday, through to Monday and Tuesday. Oil prices have also had a big move here as well. In the last 2 days, oil prices are now up almost 9% since the beginning of the week, alongside copper prices, which are up 2.5%. Gold has broken out above $1,800 per ounce. And as we discussed with you last week, that silver would be a great opportunity to buy it at $23 per ounce or lower. We briefly broke below $23 per ounce on Friday. Now silver is trading just back below $24 per ounce, almost rallying $1 since Friday to the upside. So as you can see, it's been another great opportunity to capitalize over the last few days. So I hope many of you were able to maximize on that opportunity over the last few days. Again, feel free to go back and watch our week ahead commodity report where we identified all of these opportunities with you in a lot of detail. Now, going back to gold for a moment, in terms of the overall net long position from hedge funds and money managers, it has increased in the last week. We've seen a 6% increase in the net long position, and gold prices, they have continued to trade higher, in line with expectations that over this week we would create a higher high yet again. We've seen 1800 broken. We continue to hold above that zone. We keep 4 core positions on gold currently, which are over 2,000 points profit right now. The gold to silver ratio has also started to pull back. It's broken back down towards 75 to 1. The dollar index has also broken down this week over 1% to the downside. So with that, all of this is providing a perfect storm for this risk-on rally to the upside where commodities are benefiting hugely. Now, in terms of major news items to be aware of, the next big announcement on everyone's radar is going to be the Jackson Hole Symposium at the end of the week, which is actually now going to be held online due to the increase in the amount of Delta variant cases in the USA. And we're also seeing several central bankers that were going to be at that meeting are no longer going to be present. So we started to see some of the risk revolving around that event is starting to dissipate in the lead up to that. We can see that very clearly with the risk on atmosphere since the beginning of the week with the dollar under pressure, and we've seen commodities have a phenomenal run so far this week. So I do hope you've been able to capitalize on this move. It was really a perfect storm. It's been a great opportunity to build a lot of profit very fast over the last 2 sessions. And again, this comes back to our point that many traders out there utilizing their technical analysis strategies, they tend to wait far too long for their delayed confirmation. So they tend to miss all of these moves. Very rarely are any of these technical analysts early to a trade. They're always waiting for their delayed confirmation, and subsequently they're always buying too high, and then they end up panic selling out at the lows as well. They're constantly getting chopped up in the market. As you know, technical analysis is the first thing every single trader learns out there. It's too basic for you. It's not giving you enough data and market intelligence or enough edge in the market. It's the equivalent of going to kindergarten and not progressing beyond that throughout your life if all you do is trade technical analysis in these market conditions. Markets have evolved over the last 10 years where you need to be utilizing a lot more data, statistics, understand the daily, the weekly, the quarterly cycles that will affect each of the commodities that we are trading in the market. Alongside that, understand, of course, key areas of liquidity, capital flows in the market, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles. Alongside that, marry that up with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market. Be aware, of course, of the major news items which will have the biggest impact in the market. Understand capital flows and how different cycles throughout the year will have a big impact on the market and the overall sentiment as well, which can help you hugely to capitalize. And finally, of course, understand how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioning. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.